qabnu kanarratti argamu keessaniif guddaa galatooma.
Duraan dursee sagantaa kanarratti argamu kiyyaaf yookiin ammoo naaf feeruu keessaniif Team Oromia galata guddaa isinii galchuu barbaada.
Isin martuu galatooma baga nagaan dhuftanii.
People that dance for us, we want to give them recognition. Hawi Ali galatoomfatu feena.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Lastly, we want to thank this person. They helped. Thank you.
Isani eddu jolen kumbayi tinadabani wana nubadde yojrate garu.
The reason why we're here today is pretty much to recognize the amazing work of a group of students that took the opportunity and the sacrifice and energy to plan an important event at the University of Washington. This year was even far better. Thank you. We look forward to a better Zemzem. Great work.
Hello, akkam jirtani? Nullee ka badhaasa isaan jalqaban itti fufuu jirra.
Accepting this award is simply because the performance carried out by the 3 girls that just received their award made us all look so real good, pretty good. And that's the only reason I'm here is because of the hard effort and work they've already put in. So thank you guys.
So Team Oromia Seattle is basically a platform that is designed to better our community and to make our community be more stronger.
We have Lowti. Give it a hand to Lowti. And the second one is Hanifa Abdala, or she's known by Ashu, and she's not here with us today. She has to do a final. And give it up to Lowti and Wash.
And I have one for Ashu, Hanifa Ahmed. She goes by Ashu, and she did the performance at the Western Washington University. And here are her sister and her friend accepting on her behalf. Thank you.
Kam Nagay Feya, Makankia Frida. I'm from Somalia, and I stand in solidarity with Oromia.
Here you have it, our first full day event, co-sponsored by Team Oromia and of course the parents in the local community. This is one of many, many efforts that we have started and we have established, and we look forward to doing many more things here in the Seattle, Washington area. And if we can expand this network, that will be moving forward. We have dedicated people who want to be on this team and who are looking forward to expanding their network, who are looking to broaden their horizon and accept the challenge. And if you are one of those type of people, you know exactly where to contact us. We're on every social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Oromia of Seattle, Snapchat, add us on all. Keep yourself updated, get familiar with the community. If you have any questions, please feel free to access, email us, text us. We are here, we're ready, and we're ready to serve you. Thank you.
My name is Zemzem Ahmed. You may notice me if I say I need milk on Facebook.
hedduu nama gammachiisa jijjiirama hedduu jira magaalaa kana keessa gannoota kurman dabran keessa waan akkana argeen beeku keessaayyuu ijoollee dargaggoota waan hedduu hojjechuu jiranii baay'ee dinqisiifadha waan boonsa hojjechuu jiranii.
Today's event was a success. I'm talking families I haven't seen in a really long time, families I've never met before, came out to show support. And
okay, so today's barbecue, I like the idea of the Oromos coming together and just eating food, enjoying playing games, and all of us just coming together, it's like
today's experience was nice. Nama kana fe wali qabamu waan baay'ee nama gammachiisu.
Maqaan kiyya Ibrahim naan jedhani ani play from Dawalabo, but today arra guyyaa gammachuuti
cheese.
Qophii irratti baay'ee irraa gammadeera ijoolleen University of Washington agarsiisa gaarii agarsiisanii manguddoon illee dubartiin illee hawwootiin illee namni hunduu raasaa kana dhufeeti nyaata illee akka gaariitti nyaanne.
Guys, my name is Tahir Saed. It was a great honor to put a show on for you guys. We put a lot of time, effort.
Har'a godhamee dhugamaan qophii nama gammachiisu abdiin kennaa dargaggoo kennaa abdiin kennaa ilmaan kennaa kaasitti horaa jiru kana.
Nadha qophii baay'ee bareedaadha. Qophii yeroo baay'ee keessatti hin dhufne qophii akkanaa kana dur beekaa ture anaa.
Afeertee fi baay'ee gammadeeraadha. Warra dargaggoo kana dubartii kana ijaartanii asiin geenne tiima Oromiyaa innaan hubbantanii waan bilisa baane na fakkaata. Baay'isee na gammachiisa.